Today I'm going to show you how to create a weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly report in 5 seconds. We're going to be recording macro and creating a pivot table. Hi, my name is Edwin and I would love to show you how to do that right now. So let's get started. When you download data from CRM systems like Salesforce, Workday, etc., the data can be opened in Excel format. This allows you to create various reports and enrich your knowledge of Excel. Once you have the data in Excel open, let's say you have a book like this one, from row 1 all the way to row 9,995. That could be very overwhelming. So let's transform this information. First, let's open a new book. As you can see below, it has one sheet open called Sheet 1. Right-click on Sheet 1 and rename it Report. Click anywhere inside the book. Now add a new sheet clicking on the plus sign. Sheet 2 will appear. Right-click and rename it Data. Click anywhere else to close this window. Then go back to your book where your information is and select your data by positioning your cursor on cell A1. Press on your keyboard Shift Command or Control key if you're on Windows, right arrow to select from left to right. Then select Shift Command or Control key if you're on Windows, down arrow to select from top to bottom. Now that we have all the data selected, click the copy icon or on your keyboard Command C, Control C if you're on Windows. Go to your new book and on Data Sheet, select cell A1 and click the paste icon or on your keyboard Command V, Control V if you're on Windows. Immediately after, we're going to save our template book. Click on the save icon and rename your book. In this case, I'm going to name it Monthly Report Template, but you can name it however you like. On File Format, select Excel Enable Workbook, XLSN, and save it to your desktop. Now we're going to record a macro. Macro option is found in the Developer tab. If you cannot find it, you may need to add it to your Excel since you never used it before. To do this, click on Excel at the top of the bar. Scroll down to Preference. A small window will pop up. Click on Ribbon and Toolbar. For those using Windows, go to File tab, select Options at the bottom left list, and click Customize Ribbon. Select Developer tab on the right side of the list. Close the Ribbon and Toolbar window, click Save, then close the Preference window. A Developer tab will now appear on your Excel. Go to the Developer tab and click on Record Macro. Let's put a name. In this case, I will call it Format. Place L on the shortcut key. Click OK. Now is recording anything we do. So let's format the report. Click on Insert tab. Click Pivot Table. On the pop-up window, second paragraph, choose where to place the pivot table, select Existing Worksheet. Select the small icon at the right side of the empty box. The box will shrink. Now let's go to the Report tab and click cell A1. Press Enter, then click OK. Now that your pivot table is created, you'll notice that there's no information in it. That's because we need to construct how we want to see our information. Let's add the fields we need for our report. On the list of field name, scroll down and select and drag the category into the column section. Scroll down and select and drag the sales into the values section. See how the report is taking shape now? Finally, since my administrator wants to see the sales by category and by state, scroll up and select and drag the state into the rows section. Now let's give the numbers a little format. Select the entire section of values. Select the Home tab, Edit tab for Windows users, then select the comma symbol. Now that our report is just the way we like it, let's stop the macro. Select the Developer tab, then click on Stop Recording. But we're not done yet. Since we're going to use this Excel book as a template, let's create a cleanup macro. Don't be afraid of what we're going to do, just follow along. On the Developer tab, click Record Macro. Let's name this one Cleanup. On the short key, type N and click OK. Click on the box between 1 and A of your spreadsheet. Once you see everything selected, press Delete on your keyboard. See how the report is gone? Now let's move to Datasheet and do the same thing. Click on the box between 1 and A. Once you see everything is selected, press Delete on your keyboard. Now let's put some information on this sheet so that we can remember. On cell A1, type Place Data Here and press Command Option L to format the report. For Windows users, type Place Data Here and press Ctrl L to format the report. On cell A4, let's type For Cleanup, press Command Option N. For Windows users, type For Cleanup, press Ctrl N. Finally, click on Stop Recording the macro. You must be wondering, what just happened? Well, it's very simple. We need to put to the test our theory of the 5-second report, so let's do that right now. First, open the report you downloaded from your CRM platform. Remember that report we closed at the beginning? And copy the information into our template book datasheet as we did the first time. Now press Command Option L. For Windows users, Ctrl L. See? It took less than 5 seconds. Save with a different name in order to send it to the administration. Don't forget to clean up your template book by pressing Command Option N. For Windows users, Ctrl N to have it ready for next time. I hope this video has helped you. If you liked it, click thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified once a new video comes out. And if this video has helped you, share it across all your platforms like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Also, if you do things in a different way, please let me know by commenting. I love to learn how to improve my work. But if you want to know about other Excel functions, write it on the comment area below as well. And I will try to make new videos to cover these functions. Until next time, thanks for watching.